on the way to the sunset. So I unexpectedly got the day off today, which means it's a great opportunity to go check out a day hike somewhere. It should be a great day, solid like 5 to 6 hours out, and just got a day pack with me, my trusty Osprey day pack. It's been atop many mountain peaks. Can't wait as usual to get back out there. Alright, just made it here. Cannot wait to get started. Pretty excited too because today's the first video with the new GoPro. Yeah, let's get going. Well, it's been a nice steady climb and the views are so rewarding already. Yeah, this is a beautiful trail. Views are overlooking Little Trout Bay and beyond that, Superior. Made it up the first lookout. Definitely worth it. Alright, we're into some dense interior forest right now. Gorgeous. Back up we go. Climbing uphill is amazing. This place, I'm talking about Lake Superior, Northern Ontario, it's just so beautiful. Constantly blowing my mind. So at this point, I can show you a bit of the trail visually, sort of where we just came from. Up that peak right over there. We're just up there, went all the way down here, and all the way back up for this view. All in a matter of, I don't know, 10 minutes. Alright, here we have an optional hike to a pretty good lookout, I've been told. Let's go check it out. Yeah, we're at the top of the lookout here and views are unbelievable. I've never seen this perspective of the area before. I love it. I enjoyed the view, had a quick break for food and water, and back on the road again. I've had hardly any water on this trail so far, but I can hear it, I can see it coming right up. So I got about 3.5 kilometers to get to the end of the trail. Let's get going and we'll be back at this beach for some sunset. Getting pretty close to the end of the trail here, and a slight change of scenery, which is always nice. So that was a lot of wading through long grass, and even though it's late in the season, definitely gonna be doing tick checks when I get back home. And here you go, look at this. Interesting place here too at the other end of the trail. We got some nice artwork set up. 7 o'clock on the dot, so on my way back. p.m. 8 p.m. So I just want to get to one of those good lookout points for the sunset if possible. This is my first time out here, so I'm moving, but I'm taking it slow where I can because I don't want to get injured or anything like that. On the way to the sunset. Just like that. Made it to one spot. I mean, still about 45 minutes until the sun's really going down, but at least I'm getting this view now. The views have been a blast, but it's time for me to make my way home. Woo! Man, you can really get moving on these trails. That was fun. Probably have another hour left of light before I have to really rely on my headlamp. I wouldn't be surprised if I got to the car by then, actually, but we'll see. Oh! Made it back. It is 9:10. Had a lot of fun. Did get to use the headlamp for literally 5 minutes. And look at that moon. Well, it's been a blast. Time to head home, and I cannot wait for the next adventure.